Hey friends, Susan here. Let's do sketch project number 22. We're using Let's Go Fishing today with our petal pink cardstock. First you need to trim down that DSP. Then we're going to trim out some embellishments. Our DSP has great images, so remember to trim them out. For this card, fold it in half and give it a crease, and then fold the front back again and give it another crease, a simple Z-fold. I die cut this label from the Something Fancy dies. Then with a Biggish Bush stamp set, I stamped the birthday with Mossy Meadow ink. Then I stamped the happy with boho blue over the top. So here are all our parts and pieces. Remember, you can subscribe to my mini tutorials email so that you get a PDF of each project. Okay, let's start crafting our card. Add liquid adhesive to the back of your 2 DSP strips. The 1-inch strip is going to go along the inside edge of the card. The 2-inch strip is going to go on that folded back section of the front of the card with a little bit of trim on each side. Now I added 2 dimensionals to that front flap. Take a peek where the bone folder is pointing. Then I popped my label right on top. Now with some mini glue dots, I'm going to embellish with our fishies. Take a look at that. I think it's pretty clever. All the links for where you can find more of my sketch projects are in the details below. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube and subscribe to my newsletter. Don't miss out on anything. Thanks everybody. We'll craft